Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And yep, it's that time of year. The seasons are starting. First, it's Halloween. For our family here, it's Halloween. Today I am making pork butt steaks, which a butcher sliced the steaks from an actual pork butt, so there's bone in it to give it flavor. We're also going to make baby new potatoes with butter and oregano and street corn. And you guys, this episode starts right now. Guys, as I mentioned, today's a quick video because I know that all my followers are out there want to see this video, excuse me. Alright, so I have water boiling. So I have my corn, frozen corn. I'm going to, let me lower this, I have 4. I'm going to put the corn and the potatoes all in the same boiling liquid, which is fine. You can fit them all. Hang on. Let me lower, there's my container. Look at my steaks right there. My steaks have been in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay, guys? So actually, the corns are big, so we really can't fit the corn in there with my little baby new potatoes, which will boil right away as well. First, I want to speak about this beautiful pork butt steak. I call it a pork butt steak. Let me see if I can drop this anymore so you can see it. Can you see that? Look at that pork butt steak. Okay, that pork butt steak, like I said, I marinated it with 3 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika. You guys, and that's it. I put it over my steaks, covered it in foil, and left it at room temperature for 30 minutes to marinate. Dropped it in the oven for 30 minutes, and look at what it looks like now. Hey guys, guess what? We are going to put some barbecue. I didn't make the homemade barbecue sauce today, and that's fine. I always like to buy this one. It's called Sweet Baby Ray's Original Barbecue Sauce. It's inexpensive, and it's yum, yum, you guys. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab my brush and brush some on, and I'm going to put this back in the oven for about maximum 10 minutes at about 450 degrees so that barbecue sauce will, oh my god, this is so delicious and so easy, you guys. Oh, my throat's been so dry all day. Sorry about that, I just gotta get a cold drink. So guys, stay with me guys, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. And guess what? Our potatoes are done and our corn is, I'm keeping the corn warm in the water. Now I have 6 tablespoons of unsalted sweet cream butter in the potatoes. I have all this whole complete recipe on my blog. Just visit, after the video, you can visit www.stovetopyumyum.com, which is right here in the video. And I have the 6 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Actually about a teaspoon and a quarter of salt. We are going to add, guys, some garlic powder. These are my butter oregano potatoes. Look at all these spices, how I keep my spices. I use a lot of spices. Okay, we've got the this is, as you probably all are wondering, this is my favorite part of the house. So all right, some oregano. A teaspoon and a quarter of oregano, a teaspoon and a quarter of garlic. Oh yeah, let's put some pepper. I always put pepper as well. And just a teaspoon of pepper. And now we are going to turn the stove on medium to let all this butter melt. I'm going to stir it around our potatoes. Now, our steak. Perfect. Here we have our steak. So I have a little liquid around it, and that's fine. Now I'm going to bump the heat up to 450. Okay, in the oven. My mouth is watering. Put some of our barbecue sauce here on both sides, on both steaks. And I'm going to just brush the barbecue sauce on it. Just let it stick to it. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. So normally you would pick it up, take it out of the oven, and flip it around. I don't do that. I flip it around right now. And put sauce on the other side. There's the other side. So that way our bottom already has it. Same thing for the other side. You guys see the bone? See the bone right here? Oh, I love it because it adds so much flavor. I love making whole pork butts too. Yum. Make some pulled pork. Slow cook it. Oh my God, so delicious, guys. Alright. Steaks in the oven will be ready, all nice and bubbly with that browned barbecue sauce. Yum, yum, yum. You guys, this is an easy dinner, and you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and we are going to assemble our street corn. Assembling my street to hold our corn. You can use toothpicks. You can get this anywhere for $1. You can get 6 for like $1 something. It's so convenient. And it will help me while I'm preparing my street corn. I forgot to mention, I also have some cilantro to garnish. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, so here's my sweet chili sauce with my mayo. I said a heaping tablespoon. Depends on how hot you like it. If you don't like this, sweet chili sauce is so delicious. If you like a little bit of hot, you can put less. If you don't, you can omit it. I put a heaping tablespoon and a half because we like hot. Sweet chili sauce, keep in mind, is not extremely hot or anything like that. So it's really not. So alright, so we are going to bathe our corn on the cob with the sweet chili sauce and the mayo. Oh my God, this is so delicious, you guys. Back in the day, if you would go to like the flea market or in this area in Lee County to Immokalee, they have these food trucks that specialize in this Mexican street corn. Oh my God, so good, so delicious. Look at that. All right, so that baby's drenched, which you guys cannot see it, but I'm going to show you. It's drenched. So now we're going to put, I'm going to pinch of salt, and I'm going to spread the salt all the way around. I always like to put a little bit of salt. We got that. Now I'm going to get my Parmesan cheese. And we are going to put our Parmesan cheese all over our corn. Holy mackerel, this is delicious. This is good stuff, you guys. You've got to try this, you guys. And now I'm going to garnish with a little bit of cilantro on our corn. You can chop it fine, or you can. We love cilantro, so it doesn't really matter. But it's so beautiful, guys. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. That's some beautiful street corn right there, if I do say so myself. So, this witch, I'm just kidding. So, I am going to assemble the rest of our street corns, and when I come back, we're going to taste. So, I'm back for a second, my pretties. Guys, look at this, guys. Look at that street corn. Check that street corn out. Yum, yum. Oh my God. Hey, guys. I'm back, you guys. And guess what? Fork and knife in my hand, and we're ready to taste. Oh my God. Look at the beauty of this plate. Just got to share this with you. Look at this. Look at that pork butt steak with those baby new butter and oregano potatoes and that street corn. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my. Mmm. Oh, it smells so good in here right now. Alright guys, take a bite of my street corn. You ready? This is hot. I'm scared. I always get scared when it's hot. goodness. The cream, excuse me. The creaminess of that mayonnaise and the sweet and spicy of that chili and the saltiness of the Parmesan cheese and that fresh herb. I mentioned before not to, on the salt, when I add the pinch of salt, you don't need it. Because I had forgotten, I apologize. I had forgotten the grated Parmesan is salty already. Let me try it again, I'm not sure. Hold on. Guys, if I tell you guys that I can almost cut this pork butt steak with a fork, oh my god. Little piece of potato. Here it is. Number 2. God. Oh, stop it. Corn, take 2. God. This witch is happy. Happy. So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And as always, my pretties, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you then. Take great care, guys. Bye.